Welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I achieve this twist out look. If you guys are still interested, please keep watching and make sure you subscribe for more videos. So I started with freshly washed and conditioned hair. Once I've done that, I started applying my leave-in evenly throughout my strands. Once I applied my leave-in, I started parting a middle section of my hair where I'll later show how I created my design. Then I added a ponytail to get it out the way until later. Once I finished that, I started on my twist out. I sectioned my hair down the middle and started working on one side. Then I applied my oil. I'm using the lock method, which works best for my hair and retaining moisture. I'm going to start from the back and work my way up with my twist. So I grab a small section in the back and pin the rest of my hair up. Then I will apply my styling cream and start twisting until I get almost to the end. I stop an inch before the end and smooth it out, and I apply my perm rods. Then I will continue to do the same to the rest. So here's how it looks after I finish all the twists with perm rods at the end. Yes, it took like forever. Now on to the design. So I created 4 sections. So I parted down the middle first, and then I parted again on my side section. Once I did that, I brushed it out and then I parted it again. Now that's when I'm going to apply my edge control and then rubber bands to the top section, and I'm going to do that to the other section as well. And I'm going to do that for all 4 sections. So once I did that first section, I'm going to brush it out again and apply some more cream to my hair. And then I am going to twist out that part as well and add my flexi rods. Then I'll continue that throughout the rest of my design. So this is my finished results after twisting out my whole head as well as adding all my perm rods. Now I'm going to sit under the dryer for 30 minutes. So I just finished drying my hair, so I was under there for about an hour. Yeah, so hopefully it's dry, because knowing me, I never dry my hair all the way, so we will see. Before I take it down, I always coat my hands with oil, so to reduce frizz and breakage, because our goal is to grow healthy and retain our length, correct? I know, right? Correct. So once I took all of it down, I added some more oil to my hands as well, and I started pulling the twist apart. Pulling all of them apart, I'm going to use my handy dandy pick, and I'm going to add volume by picking my roots of my hair. Now you can do as much or as little as you want. It's up to you, depending on how big and frizzy or as big as you want your hair. Now it's on to I'm adding the hair jewelry and my edge control to finish the look. So these are my finishing results. They're very soft and fluffy and curly. Now, if you guys like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I hope to see you guys next time. See ya.